So you got your brand new Fujifilm X-H1 and the eye cup is already falling off? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that pesky eye cup once and for all. The first step we need to take is to remove the eyepiece itself. It helps to squeeze it and lift gently but firmly up from the body. Now that that's removed, we can get rid of the body. And what we need to do is remove these two screws that hold the three components together. Before we do that though, let's take a moment and look at our eyepiece to realize the top and bottom are different. And we want to keep these straight as we're going through this so that we don't get them mixed up later on. So once we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and remove these screws. Now that we have the screws off, let's look at this eyepiece again. It's made up of three parts: an outer metal piece, an inner metal piece, and then the rubber gasket. So first let's remove the outer metal piece. Be sure to keep it facing up so you don't get it mixed up later on. Next, let's go ahead and remove the inner metal piece. Now that we have that out, let's take a moment and let's look at it and realize that the piece that should be facing you has these metal pieces sticking out, these little squares. Those should be facing you when it goes back in, while the other side is smooth and flat. Now let's begin reassembling the eye cup by inserting the metal piece inside of the rubber gasket. It's kind of hard to see here, but you need to get this plate underneath the lip of the rubber gasket. Again, make sure that those two metal squares are facing outward towards you and that the little slit at the bottom for the IR sensor is on the bottom side of the rubber gasket as well. Once that's done, we just place the outer metal piece back on top and reinstall the screws. Once we have that finished, the only thing left to do is reinstall the eye cup on the camera body. And that's it. Now that pesky eye cup will never bother you again, because now you can fix it all on your own. Thanks for watching.